How to do payroll in HR. So get your employer ID numbers. So apply for a free EIN from the IRS and any required state/local tax IDs before hiring anyone. Collect employee paperwork, gather Form W-4, Form I-9, state withholding forms, bank details, and employment contracts from each employee. Classify employees correctly, determine exempt versus non exempt status, and confirm their employees, not independent contractors, to avoid penalties. Set a payroll schedule and system. Choose weekly, bi weekly, semi monthly pay periods. Check state laws and use cloud based payroll software to automatic calculations and tax filings. Track time and calculate pay. Record hours worked, overtime, and bonuses. Calculate gross pay. Then subtract taxes, benefits, and other deductions to get net pay. Pay employees. Issue net pay via direct deposit, checks, or pay cards using your dedicated payroll account. Then file and pay payroll taxes. E-file federal/state payroll taxes required in 2026 and set aside tax funds immediately after running payroll. And then keep accurate records. Store payroll reports, pay stubs, tax forms, and hours worked for at least 3 years for audits and compliance. If this helps you, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.